Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, press Windows R, and then in here you have to type ncpa.cpl. Hit enter, and here you'll find your Wi-Fi and other networks. Just right click on your Wi-Fi and then click on disable. Once it is disabled, you just have to right click on it and then click on enable again. Make sure you do this fast and then restart your PC. After that, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.